Okay, so we're gonna try out a product called Renekid Liquid Wood. So you're supposed to be able to paint this on any surface. This one is like partially sanded. This is the way it came. I just smoothed this off because I want my surface to be smooth. So I didn't remove all of it. I just made this smooth, and that is it. Okay, so anyways, you're supposed to be able to paint this on, let it dry for 2 hours, and then come back with a stain, and the stain will soak into this. It's supposed to be liquid wood, like real wood in here. So let's figure this out. Let's see if it works. So it says shake well. Been shaking for a little bit. Go ahead and open this up. So it is water-based. You're supposed to be able to just wipe it up, clean it up with soap and water. Yeah. Okay, so it's a smoky orangey color. So let's go ahead and start. So it goes on pretty smooth. Kind of feels like a primer, basically. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. Okay, so this is the second step. We're gonna apply this one. This is Kona. We're gonna apply it to the top of this, and it's supposed to adhere and look just like wood. Just like we stained it, sanded it all the way down. So I'm gonna do it with this little rag here. And we'll go ahead and just apply it on. So it's been about 5 minutes and it's starting to dry. So Said to wipe it back. I'm a little nervous about this. We will find out what happens. I don't want to wipe it back. I'm not wiping it back. Although the instructions said to wipe it back, it just didn't feel right. I ended up applying another coat of the Kona stain, and it turned out really nice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you know anyone else who wants to see this, hit that share button. Thanks.